Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 28th of November. I'm James Spann. Maybe a little rain Thursday of this week, and then possibly a pattern change next week. So lots to talk about. Let's dive in. As we often do, we'll start with a water vapor satellite view across the nation. Nice little short wave, a compact wave coming out of the southwestern states. That will probably bring some clouds tomorrow. Then a surface boundary comes in Thursday with a chance of showers. The main polar jet stream is near the Canadian border. Feels pretty good. Mostly 60s on the board today. Birmingham at 67. Look at Montgomery. They've got 72. And around the nation, the coldest air is up in the northern part of New England. But the really cold Arctic air pretty much bottled up in Canada for now. We'll see if that might be flushed southward late next week. There's the watch warning map. Things pretty quiet. Some winter weather issues back in the northwestern states. Wind advisories for parts of Minnesota. Convective outlook. Obviously no severe weather problems today or really for the rest of the week. And the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Bigger numbers back in the Pacific Northwest. This is suggesting rain amounts under 1/4 of an inch in our state. And again, the bulk of this will be on Thursday. Some spots may be getting a little more than that. Wouldn't be shocked if they adjusted that slightly upward on the next update. And the tropics were wrapping up the season Thursday and just quiet as a mouse. You can stick a fork in this season. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. You can see the shortwave energy coming through Arkansas and the Mid-South, the Mississippi Delta. But the air is still dry. We'll probably see an increase in clouds. We'll say a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Still mild. High tomorrow should be in the upper 60s, some spots touching 70. Thursday, a surface front eases in here, and that's going to bring a chance of showers. And that's not to say it's going to rain the whole day. Don't think the rain's going to be all that heavy. But no doubt we'll see some rain at times. The sky cloudy, and the high will be in the 60s. And then Friday, new surge of drier air drops in. The sky becoming partly sunny. No cold air involved here. This is Pacific air, so highs will stay in the 60s. And as the weekend begins on Saturday, partly sunny and mild. We'll be close to 70 Saturday afternoon. Very comfortable for early December. And Sunday, a little cooler air mass drops in. A 1028 high to the north. Highs dropping in the mid-60s. But the sky should be sunny. Should be a beautiful day. Monday, we'll start the day in the 30s. The high will be in the 60s. And a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 5th of December. Again, the model signals are a little, no doubt the pattern's changing how we get there. We don't quite know yet. This is showing this deep upper low that's over the Four Corners in the southwest states. And down below that, we're still dry on Tuesday. And if this is right, the sky would be partly sunny with a high in the 60s. Big snows will crank up, by the way, over Colorado and Utah. The skiers will love that. Let's check the European model, and it's kind of now in decent agreement with the GFS, holding the rain Tuesday of next week north and west of the state. Other runs brought the rain in here Tuesday, but now both global models keep it north and west of the state. Let's stick with the European next week. This is Thursday, and it finally brings in that batch of rain and maybe some thunder. Maybe Wednesday night and Thursday of next week, so it looks like that rain could be toward the middle part of the week. That's not really a severe weather look. And then this is the end of next week, Friday the 8th of December, and there's the pattern change. Big ridge in the west, a big trough in the east, and a flush of very cold air coming in here for Friday the 8th. These are the anomalies. Where you see those greens, those are temperatures more than 10 degrees below average for this time of the year, for much of the east and south. Thought we'd check the Arctic oscillations, teleconnection stuff. We haven't done this in a while. This is the AO forecast coming off the GFS. Looks negative on through mid-December, and the North Atlantic oscillation looks negative through mid-December, supporting the idea of maybe a blocked pattern with a trough kind of setting up over the eastern states, setting up some pretty cold air maybe for at least the middle of the month and maybe beyond. And the numbers, you can see the big drop-off next week. We start to cool down Wednesday. That's when rain should move in. And then Thursday on through December 12th, highs mostly in the 40s and lows down around the freezing mark. And I wouldn't be shocked if we start to see some numbers lower than that in future runs of the ensemble. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.